Good morning, it's Chuck from Styrene Vendors Garage. Here to do a finish build or finish update up on my Yamaha YZR500 from Tamiya for the GI mechanic and Jamie G's group bike build. Took in I got to the point to put decals on. Took in Good morning, it's Chuck here with Styrene Vendors Garage, and I'm going to do a finish update on the group build, or the bike group build from GI Mechanic Sarge and Jamie G's. Cut, take two. Good morning, it's Chuck here. Styrene Vendors Garage, and doing a finished update on my motorcycle group build from GI Mechanic Sarge and Jamie G's group bike build. Good morning, it's Chuck here. Morning, it's Chuck here from Styrene Vendors Garage, and fixing to do finish on my motorcycle group build from Sarge at GI Mechanic and Jamie G's built, or how the hell? Or it's Chuck here from Styrene Vendors Garage, and I finished up my group build for Morning, it's Chuck here from Styrene Vendors Garage, and fixing to do a finished video on Jamie G's and GI Mechanic Sarge, their motorcycle group build. The group build was to build a Yamaha motorcycle, and what I have here is the Yamaha YZR500. Plan is I was going to build it up as Kenny Rogers' bike, or Kenny Roberts' bike, from his time riding back, was it late 80s, early 90s, maybe, I don't know, but anyhow, I was going to do his version of the bike, and got it all done, but then when I went to put decals on it, the decals all fell apart. So here we are, we got a finished Yamaha here with no decals on it. As I was putting the fairing on, I got a little drop of glue on my, I was done with it at that time. So it's got a little spot right there. It'll look pretty good sitting on the shelves. But anyhow, this is it. This is my my final on the motorcycle group build.